Hi everyone, I'm Daniela, and today we're making hot fudge sauce. This glossy, chocolatey sauce will rival any ice cream bar, and it's so easy to make, it only takes 6 ingredients. So let's get into it.
To a pan, add 55 grams, 4 tablespoons of light brown sugar, 117 grams, 1/3 cups of golden syrup.
If you can't find golden syrup, I've linked my recipe down below, but you can substitute the golden syrup for corn syrup in this recipe.
44 milliliters or 3 tablespoons of strong coffee, I'm using espresso, and 2 grams, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Turn your stove onto medium-high and get whisking. Let that come up to a boil and stir regularly for 5 minutes. While that's boiling, chop 140 grams, 5 ounces of dark chocolate into fine pieces. You could also use semi-sweet chocolate. After 5 minutes, take your pan off the heat. Then in goes our chopped chocolate. Whisk until all of the chocolate pieces have melted completely. It'll be really thick at this point. Now add in 70 grams, 5 tablespoons of double or heavy cream. Make sure to whisk while you add it in so that your chocolate doesn't seize up. This helps to loosen up your hot fudge sauce and gives it a gorgeous glossy finish. While it's still hot, pour it into a jar for storage, or drizzle it all over your favorite ice cream and dig in.
You'll want to store this in the fridge for however long you'd store your cream, so make sure to check that expiration date, and that's how long your hot fudge sauce will last. YouTube thinks you're going to like this video next, so check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.